Today's topic is about how to get that 100% hike, 300% hike. Vanakkam, welcome back to this channel. To get notified for the upcoming videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Okay. Here we will talk in scenario wise. Okay. This percentage hike is more important. You know what? Money is the ultimate power. Why money is important? Means we need to plan our future survival instincts. That's the criteria. Okay, people get 100% hike, 150% hike. You know what? How to get those 100% and 150%, 200%, 300% hikes? Let me give you a scenario based solutions. Okay, first scenario is like you have 2 months and 3 months notice period. Your goal should be you have to get an offer, whatever it is. You know what? You should always say as per company standard. If you don't know the rough figures, say as per your company standard. Basically, it will come around 30 to 45% hike, maximum 50% hike. Okay, it will be the company standard wise. Or else, if you have a number, you can say it. If the HR says, is it possible to negotiate? You should say, yeah, I am okay for negotiation, and then proceed for the interviews. Once the final round comes, there you can deal with the negotiations. This is one of the criteria, one of the scenario. You know what? Let's have an example like you have 3 months notice period. I have posted a video about 2 months notice period, 3 months notice period. It's all like breaking the secrets. Okay, please go and check out in my playlist if you haven't watched it. Okay, now 2 months notice period you got an offer letter, and then keep hunting more opportunities. With let's assume like you have 5 lakhs of salary. Currently you are holding 5 lakh salary, and you got an opportunity up to 9 lakhs, sorry, 7.5 lakhs. Let's consider like 7.5 lakhs you got an opportunity. Or else you got an opportunity of 8 lakhs or 9 lakhs. As I said, the percentage wise here, you are under the budget. Let's say like if the job profile has a budget, okay, of about the budget is around 12 lakhs, you are eligible and you have cleared the interviews. You can ask whatever the value you want. If the HR decides like, no, we want to give this much only, we have planned to give this much only, this is our budget. That's what each and every time interview you can ask, what's your budget? Most of the HRs, they won't reveal their budgets, but few HRs, they will say this is our budget. If your percentage is under their budget, they will release your offer letter. During this, these are like final rounds. Okay. So during interviews, during the first set of HR calls itself, you can ask, what's your budget? And you can play immediately with that percentage wise. Okay, this is one scenario. Let's assume now scenario 2, like now you got an offer for around 9 lakhs or 10 lakhs. Okay, again you are going for an interview. Your notice period comes around 1 month. HR processes like HR mindsets will be, okay, you are already holding an offer. How we can hire you that you will come and join in my organization? What kind of answers you guys will be giving? Answer my questions, okay, in the comment section. Let me reveal that in upcoming videos. I don't want to reveal that particular situation right now. Okay. After saying your answer, the HR realized like, okay, my budget, I can increase the budget about 13 lakhs I can offer you. And now your notice period came at around, you have 15 days. Okay. You will get more calls. You will get more calls. If the situation is in a firefighting situation, Let's consider like it's going to be a firefight situation. There, let me see, mic is on. Mic is on. If it is having a firefight situation, your percentage of hikes will be around 150%. This is one of the fact. You can, as I told you, if you are holding, if you are getting a salary of 5.5 lakhs and you are going to give continuous interviews and then you collect an offer, based on that value itself, you are going to play with a company A and company B. Okay. And then you got an offer, and then you will be getting an offer from company C, where you will be playing with company B and C. So this is how people used to get 150% hike, 200% hike. You know what? Now it is getting streamlined. Okay, this is the budget. We can't give you more than that. There are many companies will be holding a budget. Apart from that budget, they are not ready to provide you. This kind of situations also is there. It's all about how you are presenting yourself in the final round when you are having a discussion on budget. This is very rare. This is very rare. I used to see LinkedIn, few HRs used to post their concerns. Okay. In that way, I got some good positive vibe from of them. This is not like demotivation. This is like a motivation. You know what? A particular girl was searching an opportunity and she was expecting around 12 lakhs. Let me guess. This is a round figure. This is not the exact amount. I used to see LinkedIn posts, right? So that's why I got these kind of pictures. So I want to reveal it. The HR decided like he is already in underpaid job. Underpaid job. Her quotation is around 12 lakhs, but the budget is up to 20 lakhs. The HR decided with hesitating. HR offered her around 18 lakhs to 20 lakhs, between that ratio. The girl was very surprised. No, the budget is still there and you are well qualified and your interview sessions well went. So that's what we want to offer you. These kind of situations also happened in software industry. If the HR is holding that budget and the budget, as per the budget, the offer has been went to the candidates. I was happy to see those kind of posts in LinkedIn. Wow, what a great, you know. You know what? When she got that offer, she didn't play a counter role. She immediately go and joined in that organization. Coming videos will be, don't share your next move and what is the best time to search for a job? Do you have a career gap? Let's give you a solution. These are the upcoming topics which we are going to talk about. To get notified for the upcoming videos, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon. Take care. Bye.